Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to create Twitter logo in Adobe Illustrator. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Set the dimensions depending on where you plan to use the logo. First, we need to import the Twitter logo so that we can trace over it as a reference image. Use the curvature tool to manually draw the bird shape, and set the fill color to none for better visibility while tracing. Let's start drawing. Whenever you see a sharp corner, make sure to double-click to create a sharp point with the curvature tool. Single-click to create smooth curves, and double-click when you need to make sharp corners. Use the direct selection tool to refine the anchor points and curves to perfect the shape of the bird. Use the ellipse tool to draw a circle. Hold down the Alt key while dragging to maintain a perfect circular shape. Select all the shapes and change the fill color from none to white. Then, use the Shape Builder tool. Shift+MIE to merge the bird shape and apply the blue color, 1DA1F2. Remove the stroke outline if you don't want a black border. Now, the Twitter logo is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments.